Hi there, and welcome to this task. And we're looking at quadrilaterals here for this particular test here. Quadrilaterals just mean four sides. So quad means four, lateral means side. A quadrilateral has four sides. It is a two-dimensional shape. A 2D shape is any shape that's a flat shape. And it's closed, so the lines will actually join up and the shape will close. And they always have what we call straight lines. So a quadrilateral has four sides, four vertices, in other words, corners, and the interior angle of a quadrilateral will always add up to 360 degrees. So we've got a regular quadrilateral here, which is a square, and we know that in the square we have four right angles, and they all add up to 360 degrees. We've got an irregular quadrilateral here. So in this particular shape, we've got various different angles, but at the same time, they all add up to 360 degrees. So let's have a look at some of the properties of different types of quadrilaterals. So in a rectangle, all angles add up to 90 degrees, and opposite sides are always equal. In a square, we know that all angles are 90 degrees, and all sides exactly the same size, and angles are equal. A rhombus can look like various different types of shapes, but all sides are equal, but opposite sides are parallel to each other. Parallel means that they are opposite and they do not meet. A parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel, and at the same time, they are always equal as well. A trapezium, or a trapezoid, that some people call, two sides are parallel. And you can see those two sides here, right opposite. Whereas a kite, so this is an upside down kite in a way, and the shapes could be upside down as well. Adjacent pairs of sides are equal. Adjacent means the sides next to each other are always equal. So have a go at the rest of these particular questions. Some of the questions are quite simple. Other questions you'll need to actually identify what the properties of these questions are. Good luck.